Kamu nagpaminaw sa DYAR 765 SMNI Radio Cebu, kapartner mo sa balita o serbisyo.
Serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Kapartner ng bayan. Ania ang tulumanong mo paila sa lain-laing ahensya, organisasyon, personalidad o individual nga andamugahin sa ilang serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Atong sayron ang mataglaka nga nabuhat na ug angay pang buhaton alang sa ikauswag sa matag komunidad ug sa nasud sa kinatibuk-an. Serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Ania na ang atong kapartner nga makauban karon.
You are all media people, and you know very well what Trump has said. I am going to bomb Iran to make it into a Stone Age country. And of course, Iran replied, you do that, and I will destroy the world. Either way, we are the one who's going to suffer. So we at UC have a mission to do. And I told yesterday our deans and chancellor of the 5 different campuses, I told them we have a mission to do. One of the where's my nurse kato mga papel. One of the Philippine Star, one of the biggest newspaper, said that the word super bobo is in the Philippines. That means to say 15 years old, you have heard about that. The commission on the commissional have said that our 15 years old does not even understand what they are reading. So we in the education sector feel that might not be completely correct, because in our school there are still foreign shipping company coming over here to recruit our seafarer. More now because of what is happening in the Strait of Hormuz. They need more seafarer. And the Deputy Minister of Health from Singapore came over and get our nurses, Helen, correct? Not only that, Shearwater are getting out, that giving us scholarship. Not only Norwegian Ship Owner Association, we are sending a lot of, helping a lot of workers. And so we are in it. I have here Mr. Forolino, President of the Faculty Club, that we have a mission to undertake. And I have always believed that education is the life greatest equalizer. I do not know who said that, but I believe in that. And what are the plans of UC to help our students? This is my plan. Beginning this school year, 2026-27, there'll be no increase. We have petition for increase of tuition fee, but we will not implement it. Not only that, they can finish their course without any increase in tuition fee. You get my point? Like, Jean, if you are taking journalism first year, the tuition fee per unit is, let us say, 10 pesos. Until you graduate, the tuition fee will be 10 pesos. We are not going to increase that. But then, don't you think it's bad for us? No, I think it's good for me and for our people. Why? Because if you raise your tuition fee and the people are suffering, your enrollment will drop. But if you lower your tuition fee, there will be more enrollment. So we'll just work by the volume. But the important thing is not that. The important thing is how to help our people. But how about our employee? You see, there are thousands of them. I have here Aspak Bank. May I request that you lend out money for motorcycle or for car at a very reasonable rate. Because I read in Fortune magazine or Forbes magazine that the installment payment of motorcycle, the effective rate is 48%. Don't do that. Now, on my right is St. Vincent and Pirolino. I am instructing them, do not increase the hospital fee. Continue with the hospital fee. Not only that, if the bill is big, installment payment. But we'll ask them, Pirolino, to cure the patient. Don't add more problem to them. That's why I am asking them to be here. They do not know what I'm telling them, but I'm telling you. And then, Dr. Dacera, you are going to open the Yakap. What is that? That's a very good news for our employee because women, breast cancer, free in colonoscopy. Free siya? Oh. PhilHealth, lagi bayad. Let's use it so that they will not transfer the money to other thing like flood control. Di use kayo ang kwarta. You know ba? That's true magyod. So I am just telling you, we will not increase tuition fee, but hopefully there'll be more job for our teacher. And then my company, which I control, is Aspak Bank, St. Vincent, UCMed, Design Surety. Let's work together to alleviate the suffering of our people. We must give quality education. Dr. Helen is the dean are at my back. Take a look at what we have here. Very impressive. This is not only tanawa ang nursing skill lab. Visit it and visit any other school, Pirolino. We have the best. Go down one more floor or go up one more floor, you have the AI lab. Ang atong AI lab is number 1. You are a computer science. I'm telling you the truth. We have the best. Not only that, you helped me produce number 1 in the national competition. Ang atong estudyante nakadaog. What? Walking stick. Walking stick. That means the blind can walk. I asked the student to have it patented. Our maritime, during the world, this is all over the world, competition, come out number 1. Why? Because we have bought a lot of equipment, simulator. Why do you think the Norwegian give us 300 cadets every year? Because we produce quality cadets at the most reasonable tuition fee. And now we are not going to increase 1 iota daily. In fact, we might even lower it because L&F, you people are working on it. That's learning. What's that? Learning, I don't even know. learning management element, whatever it is. Di mo sabutan ng computer. But we need that, you know that. The world need AI. Please take a look at our computer science lab. Why do you think they win so many, they won so many awards? Because we have the faculty, we send them to Taiwan, to Thailand, to LaSalle. Why? Because this is something new and we should try to do something about it so that we'll be AI literate, even if I am not. But the students should. I'm telling you all of this is true because my people are here. If I tell you a lie, may baka na yun, which should not be. So we have a backup. You may buy a motorcycle because it is less expensive than driving a car. Not only that, you get a driver and maybe you can rent. When you are in school, let them use it as angkas. Why not? And please, Lichido, very fair in the charging of the interest of our people. Pirolino complained to me if they charge you more. And then no increase in hospital bill. We must use YAKAP money, PhilHealth money. Because, look, I just learned that Central Bank some months ago sold our gold. Why do you sell gold when it is now 5,000 per ounce? And your reserve is dollar, a dollar is now 60. It's now going to be a worthless paper. So use that yakap thing. That's 20,000 for Relino, 20,000 for medicine. Yeah, for 1 year. Gather your faculty member, listen to what the PhilHealth is giving benefit. That's our money. Every month I am remitting to you the school share and the employee share of the PhilHealth. Not only PhilHealth, Pag-ibig. Not only Pag-ibig, SSS. Dako pa na kayo. You know that how much we are paying, how much you are paying. Let us help our people so that they will not suffer more. Let us give them good education. And Attorney Jack is at my back. He knows very well. I'm sending him to America to get a master's degree on AI. He'll be leaving in May. Why? The future is in AI. So, I am ashamed if people will say that bugo tako no. Maybe in some area, but not in all areas. I am not kidding you when I say that. When I say this, Captain Inhambre just told me, so many of them are coming here to get my seafarer. Because many of the ship are stranded in Horse, Strait of Horse. Di makagawas. So now every vessel is being used and they need Filipino seafarer. And they need, you know that, I don't have to elaborate, the nurses. They need your nurses. Let me tell you, I am so happy. I am on the terminal term of my life. I'm 91. let me do something good for our people. And this is one thing good, help. No increase in hospital. No increase until you graduate. But please do not fail in any one subject because I'm going to raise your tuition fee. Sa boto lang na to daan. Because you should have the incentive to work. Just give me a passing and then you can look. I know. When I passed the bar examination, I said, oh my God, I made it. So that if you pass the teacher examination, wow, now I can get a job. If I am a scholar of NSA, Ellsberg, or whatever, Stillwater, I made it. My salary, I'll be a millionaire. Tinood man na. Diba ang sweldo nila? You know that. You have, I'm sure some of you have. There was some freeman. What's your balita ba na imong binisaya ang newspaper? Banat. One of them, iyang boyfriend is a scholar. Yeah, she told me. I forgot her name. You better take good care of your boyfriend because he's going to be a very wonderful boyfriend, husband in the future. So, those are the things. The people are suffering. You know that. You yourself are suffering. I know that. So, importante na we could be of help. And so, on my left, Mrs. Scanio, please, do not overcharge. I know that when you buy a motorcycle, barato kayo, pila lang. But you'll be paying until when the effective rate is 48%. That is not cheap. You keep on paying until if you are a math major, you know that you're paying 48%. So, but is there any good news? Tonight, Trump is going to bomb Iran to Stone Age. Is that the way to negotiate? You just one. After you kill the father, the wife, the daughter, and all the head, and then you're telling me you are reasonable? How could you be reasonable? Namatay na gud imong papa, imong asawa, imong anak. For the first time, I look at the American, what is happening to you? You elected a very bad president. Maybe some of you will not agree with me, but I think majority of you will agree with me. Sayuk. Instead of Canada, you know that. What did he do? He want to make it 50. Di ba, insult to ka na, 51, and then you want to get hold of Greenland ba to? Greenland, no? Oh my God, and then you quarrel with NATO, they're supposed to be your friend. And they're the first line of defense. If any bomb they will be the first one to suffer. So why do you quarrel with them? And you call them names. For the first time, I don't know what kind of president America elected. Grabe good. But we cannot just stop there. We are University of Cebu. We are supposed to educate. And if we educate them well, Mr. Florino, if we educate them well, they get a job. They become a teacher. They become a mariner. They become AI. In fact, one of them even went to my office and sell me some machine in medical equipment. His name is Pilapil. Remember? Sir, I'm your student. graduate, he go, give me a better price. And he did. He said, sir, please connect me to the computer, sir, because I want them to work for me because they are good. Diba? Ang atong atay na sa, so happy, somebody saying my graduates are good. That reminds me where I was having coffee with my school heads. And when we're having coffee, a big fellow comes in and he said, sir, I am Captain so-and-so, I was your student. And this is my son. And this is my daughter. So after that, he go, Dong, tanaw na Father Salazar. Kung siya tina, kapitan na. Siya, yung Father Salazar, kapitan na, pero ayang anak, naging reforman sa Carlos. I said, Father Asinso man. Let me tell you, I'm so happy. For example, my maid, cook, ang iyangan is tatting. A few months ago, he went to the house and said, sir, these are my grandson. I want them to show them where I worked before. Now my son is a captain. And he's getting married to a cashier in BDO. And he invited me to be there. Alam mo ang feeling, even million you cannot buy that. I am very happy with the result of UC. And I will protect our employee. I'm telling you, this is the legacy I have and I'm going to continue it. In order to have Helen, to have good quality product, you got to have equipment. Number 2, you have to have good teacher. Number 3, you have to have good student. Another story I would like to tell you is one of the top notcher in mechanical engineering came to the office and I said, you want a car? I'll give you a car. He said, sir, may cash lang ako, sir. Pobre mami kayo, cash lang. Do you know where he was living? I found out under the bridge. I'm not telling, I just cannot mention his name but with that 500,000, he was able to get out of that bridge and give her parents a better livelihood. And not only that, with that diploma and that newspaper says that you are number 1, the job is fantastic offer. So on that note, I call you here to announce that UC will not increase its tuition fee. It will be to the tuition fee of last year. And that will be until he or she graduate from her course. No failing grade. On that note, I would like to thank you for coming and listening to me because I am going to do that. For the next 4 years, you will not have any increase. For the hospital bill, in case you need, in case lang, simbako, I hope you will not. But any of your parents, siblings, by no need of down payment, go in case lang. I hope you will not use it. But if you do have to use it, installment payment will be granted. On that note, I'd like to thank you for coming, and I may take any question you like to ask.
Maukadto ang tulumanong serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Ubani kami ninyo sa sunod na higayon. Matag Lunes hangtod Biyernes sa susamang oras, 1:00 hangtod 2:00 hapon. dinhi lamang sa DYAR 765 SMNA Radio Cebu.